Good morning, students. Today we are going to study synthesis, complex sentences. Students, we studied synthesis. Synthesis, it means combining two or more sentences into one sentence. Synthesis means joining or combining two or more sentences into one sentence. Students, we studied synthesis without without using conjunctions. If you remember, we have studied different methods to combine two or more sentences into one sentence without using conjunctions. I would like to recall that by using participles, by using infinitive, by using noun and noun phrase apposition, by using adverb or adverbial phrase, by using preposition plus gerund. These are the five methods in which we combine two or more sentences into one without using conjunction. And students, when we combine two or more sentences into one sentence without using any conjunction, the sentence is simple. When we combine two or more sentences without conjunction, then the sentence is simple. That exercises we have done. Synthesis, different methods, using participles, using infinitive, using preposition plus noun or gerund, using adverb or adverbial phrase, using noun phrase apposition. So these are different methods that we use to combine two or more sentences into one without using conjunctions. If you remember, last week in a assignment we have done that assignment. It was based on synthesis of compound sentences. When we join two sentences, when we combine two or more sentences into one sentence by using coordinating or correlative conjunction, the sentence is compound sentence. When we combine two or more sentences with coordinating or correlative conjunction, the sentence is compound sentence. We use fan voice coordinating conjunction, neither nor, either or, not only but also. These are correlative conjunctions. So when we use correlative or coordinating conjunction to combine two sentences, then the sentence is compound sentence. Now we come to our topic, synthesis complex sentence. Students, when we combine two or more sentences with subordinating conjunction, then the sentence is complex sentence. When we combine two or more sentences into one by using subordinating conjunction, the sentence is complex. When we combine two or more sentences with subordinating conjunction, the sentence is complex sentence. Already we studied simple, compound and complex sentence. Simple sentence, it has only one finite form. Compound sentence, two clauses joined with coordinating or correlative conjunction. Here, when we combine two sentences by using coordinating or correlative conjunction, it has two clauses. And third, complex sentence, it has one main clause and one subordinate clause, and both the clauses joined with subordinating conjunction. So when we combine two or more sentences with subordinating conjunction or by using subordinating conjunction, the sentence is complex sentence.